Hello Dnation and welcome to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 assorted 1/64th scale blue themed cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. And these are the 5 diecast cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast cars come in the signature Hot Wheels cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these opened, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance these diecast cars look quite amazing and have a good build quality and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and running details and also have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, these are the 5 different blue themed diecast cars that I grouped together for today's episode. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these diecast Hot Wheel cars. And let's begin with the mazdarepu, which is from the Nightburner series. Well, I love this variation of this truck and it's quite sturdy and looks awesome with its two-tone ghost paint job and graphics and decals, and overall an eye-catcher and a stunner. Next up we have the Corvette C7R, which is from the Hot Wheels Race Team series. And as you can see, this is a sleek race car variant of this model with some stunning and signature Hot Wheels Race Team graphics and decals that go with the Race Team theme. An absolute stunner and overall an awesome diecast variant. And what we are looking at now is the 2009 Ford F50, which is from the Hot Wheels 50 Race Team series. And this is a classic diecast replica truck that stands out with its custom light blue paint job with its signature Hot Wheels decals with a matching orange base. And I'm glad that I got this variant for my collection. Overall, an amazing diecast replica. Next up is the TV series Batmobile, which is from the Batman series. And off the bat, I love the sleek and classy variant of this model with its glossy two-tone paint job and the signature Batman themed graphics, which makes this replica stand out from the rest. A real elegant and amazing diecast replica car, especially if you are a fan of Batman. And finally, we have the 79 Ford Ranger Raptor, which is from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. Well, this one is a unique variant of the actual model with its stunning bright yellow Hot Wheels graphics, and I'm glad I finally got this variant as I really love the massive bodywork and the custom paint and decals on this one. Overall, an amazing replica. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels cars and I've decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look. everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these Hot Wheels diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make the scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now made available, and every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a special edition collector's series as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000 US. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels cars that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheels cars are your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.